Good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the pound-dollar pair and recent events during the markets. Greg?
The oil dropped 0.4% against the dollar in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The Aussie got a slight bump of 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. According to the CCI, we are in an overbought market. The euro-dollar pair saw a minor rise of 0.1% in the last session. The MACD is giving a positive signal. The dollar-yen pair traded sideways in the last session. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market.
Thank you for sharing with us. Now let's hear from our news department.
China's manufacturing activity fell for a second month in June, while services activity slipped to a 5-month low, an official survey showed. Keeping alive calls for further stimulus as the economy tries to get back on its feet. US monthly inflation was unchanged in May as a modest increase in the cost of services was offset by the largest drop in goods prices in 6 months, drawing the Federal Reserve closer to start cutting interest rates later this year. Global stock indexes edged lower, reversing early gains, while Treasury yields rose and the US dollar declined as investors absorbed data that showed US monthly inflation was unchanged in May.
Thank you. Now let's hear today's most important economic events.
The US ISM Manufacturing PMI will be released at 14 GMT. The US ISM Manufacturing Employment Index at 14 GMT, Germany's Consumer Price Index at 12 GMT. Germany's Harmonized Index of Consumer Prices will be released at 12 GMT. Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI at 0:30 GMT. Japan's Consumer Confidence Index at 5 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join our next review for the latest news and events from the financial markets.